Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and I'm Amy. Oh, excuse me, I am miserable today. I am sorry I've been gone for so long. As I've said in my last couple of videos, we have been passing some cold germ stuff around my house, and I was the last one to get it. But I am absolutely miserable. I've been just trying to keep everybody else healthy in my house. So I do sound nasally, sore throat, and well, this is it, because I feel miserable, but I've missed you guys so much, and I wanted to get back on here, share some of my fun finds. It's just a real simple set of builder gels. They're by Hongnuo. If I can find the link, I will link it below. But these are really neat. They're builder gels in little tubs. It just that's the kind of the set. I kept it all together so I could show you guys. That's actually what my nails are built out of. I am not the best at it yet. I did have to use tips. When I first got it, I did try to build it with the little nail forms, and I didn't do it right. I'm assuming didn't build it thick enough at the tips or something. They just broke. So I figure I will use tips for now, and I keep them short anyways. I'm just trying to get my real nails to grow a little bit, which it's not doing too hot at, but this thumbnail here likes to split straight up the nail, so it's kind of uncomfortable. So I'm just trying to keep them enforced. This stuff, I do want to let you know, is super sticky. I use 91% rubbing alcohol as my slip solution to keep my brush clean and all that. But it does come with 3 colors here. Let's see if I can get them picked up. Like so. The pink really isn't pink. It's clear. And I'll show you here. I don't want to get sticky. It looks pink in the container, but it goes on clear, non-sticky. And then I have not opened the white yet, so I do not know what the white looks like. And the clear is clear, but they're not. It doesn't tell you how much is in the containers, but it's not very much, because I've almost used, just doing them a couple of times, trying to build with them, I've almost used all of the clear. So it's not very much, and the pot is kind of deceiving. It's super light. But they weren't very expensive. It was like $8 or $9 for this set on Amazon. And they're really kind of neat. It's fun to kind of use. I have a UV lamp, or an LED lamp, and mine only runs for 30 seconds. So I had to do it like 3 minutes. So I had to keep putting my hand back in and turn my lamp back on, and which was fine. But I like it. I think it's really neat. It's a nice way to not get a super thick, chunky nail, because I don't like super thick and chunky. But they do come sealed like this with the foil on top, and they work really well. Like I said, the set comes with this brush, which I have really liked using to do it. It's really kind of a soft, flexible brush, and then I just keep it clean with rubbing alcohol. And I have like a little shot glass thing I use. It's like a measuring shot glass that I use, and I pour my rubbing alcohol in, and I do it that way. It came with, I've got some of them out, I pulled out of here, a nice packet, a nice good size amount of the nail forms, and they're the double thick. I'm sorry, I apparently did not silence my phone either. And they're nice. I'll show you. Here's like the little dot out of it. Maybe not. There we go. And they're nice and thick. I mean, and they're pretty strong. I'm just not good at building with them. It's just not my thing. Over time, I think I can learn, and that's what my goal is. But And then it came with this really nice, and you can tell I've been using it, nail file. And it's like a 200 and a 100 grit file. And it's the Hongnu Nail Systems Grey Wolf nail file, and it's really nice. I like the way it's shaped, the round when you're trying to get right up in here, you know. It's really nice. It's really easy to use. But yeah, like I said, if I can find and figure out how to share a link on here, I will list that down below. But no promises, because I'm not super good at that quite yet. But I'm going to get everything put back in here, because I'm trying to keep this all together. And I really don't have a place for it to go right yet in my house. I'm working on it. I think I'm going to be redoing my bathroom storage space, because that's kind of where everything is kept right now. So I can make room for this, because my nail stuff has gotten kind of, between my nail stuff and my makeup stuff, it's gotten a little out of control in my bathroom, so I gotta do some revamping in there. Might do some more, I maybe put up some more shelves, but we'll see. But anyways, thank you guys for joining me, and I will see you next time. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe, and have a great day. Mwah.